You can make $5,000 flipping houses. A lot of people really believe that. Like, destroy the myths. Yes, you can flip houses. Yes, $30,000 is a lot of money. Is it enough to flip a house in New York? No. The reason why is most of the houses cost more than $30,000. So if you only have $30,000, how are you flipping the house? How are you buying the house, flipping it? So you're probably thinking to yourself, Malcolm, all right, I want to do real estate, have $30,000. What's my best move? If you're not going to be doing an FHA house hacking or something like that, then your best bet is to either go into REITs as stocks, or if you want to be a little more aggressive and you want to learn about flipping, you want to learn about real estate investments and stuff like that, see how you can do a joint venture. I did a video about joint venture where I'm teaching you guys how to get it done and what you need to do to get it done. So first thing first is seeing how you can be a part of someone else's deal, aka group economics. This is one of the most underrated strategies that people do not use. You don't have to do everything by yourself. You don't have to fix the property. You don't have to find the property. You can be part of a bigger group. What I do, and the same thing I do with my real estate team, is the same thing I do with my mortgage team. I have a loan officer helper. I have a processor. I have a lawyer. I have an appraisal. I have a team of people who I built around me to make me better. I do the same thing with real estate investment. I don't do everything by myself. No, I team up with contractors. I find people who can better me and make the situation better. So what I want you to do is with your money is find out how you can be a part of what's called a group economics. You're going to take some money. You'll have, even if you get 5 friends together and y'all all have $30,000, now you're talking. Now you have $150,000. Now you can go to a hard money lender and do some what's called leveraging other people's money with your money, and they'll give you the rest. Now we're creating something. This is how you get money, guys. Stop thinking about doing it by yourself. You see the shirt? Billionaire loading. Billionaires don't do it by themselves, do they? Elon Musk has a team. Jeff Bezos has a team. And you need a team behind you too. So if you're looking for a good lender, I'll help you out. If you're looking for a mentor, I'll help you out. If you have questions, make sure you check out my page. My YouTube is full of content about flipping houses, about doing mortgages, about house hacking, about creating wealth. Because at the end of the day, we all want money. But what good is money if it's not residual? Because you know what most people do with this money? They spend it. They spend it and it doesn't come back. But if you learn how to invest it, learn how to create it coming back, you could get $5,000 a month. How good would that be? Imagine you waking up every month getting a $5,000 check off of an investment that you did. That's what real estate is about. That's what this channel is about. And that's what I'm trying to help you guys go. But anyway, guys, I got to get back to finish counting up the rest of this money. I got to make sure it's all there before I pay my contractor.